everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria, and in this video, I'm going to go over step by step on how to create the perfect Russian volume fan when using the lonely fan technique. I will be using 0.05 in diameter in this video. I find using 0.05 or 0.07 easy to work with when performing this method, especially if you're a new lash artist and have never done this before. I'm also going to show you ladies how I store my fans at the end of the video. Make sure when using a volume tweezer that the tweezer closes completely tight, so when you do pick up the fan, it doesn't fall apart. Make sure you have a comfortable grip when holding your tweezer. I use only 4 fingers when holding the tweezer, 3 fingers behind the tweezer, with my thumb being my pressure finger for when I squeeze my tweezer. My pinky is what stabilizes my hand, and it also helps me angle my tweezer. Aligning the base of your tweezer parallel towards the strip, use the tip of your tweezer to slice in your lash extensions. Use a tight grip while grabbing the lashes, and pull the lashes off the strip gently towards your chest or stomach, and then place the lashes back down on the sticky strip. After your lashes are on the strip, make sure that there are no other lashes falling beside one another. If there are, just pick up those lashes and dispose them. This way we can achieve a clean and perfect fan when performing this technique. You will want to use the point of your tweezer to gently manipulate the base of your lash extensions. Make sure not to use too much pressure or else you can ruin your fan. After you've created your fan, grab your fan towards the middle with a tight grip and then pull gently off the strip, like you're almost gliding the fan off the strip. While pulling the fan off the strip, I like to hold the fan kind of downwards with a little bit of pressure, kind of like I'm bending the fan. So when I do glide the fan off the strip, it guarantees me to have a pointy base almost every single time. Mastering this technique and judging just the right amount of lashes to pick up will take some time with consistent practice, but don't give up. Soon you will be creating the perfect fan. Once you have completed that step, secure your fan by dipping the base 1 millimeter inside your glue dot.